Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by granting access so the app can read and write images. This is required. Once done, tap Select and pick one or multiple photos. Make sure to preview each. Next, set the target resolution and output format. Choose a percentage quality if available. These initial choices control file size and sharpness, so pick settings that match your use. High for print, lower for web. Then press Next to move into precise resizing options. You now focus on the middle steps where precision matters. Choose pixels or percent resize and enable maintain aspect ratio to avoid stretching. This preserves composition. If the app offers sharpening or compression, tweak those sliders to balance clarity versus file size. For multiple photos, decide whether to apply the same settings to all or tap each image to fine-tune. Once satisfied, preview one final time. This prevents repeated exports and keeps workflow efficient. You finish by choosing export and the destination, local folder, gallery, or cloud. Monitor the final file sizes so you meet limits for email or upload. If images look soft, increase resolution or lower compression, then re-export. Small increases often fix softness. If an export fails, first clear the app cache and restart. If that doesn't work, re-grant storage permission and retry. That single troubleshooting step resolves most access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.